Hey there! Are you frustrated with black bars or stretched images on your screen? This week, I'll guide you on how to fix the aspect ratio on your Panasonic TV. Adjusting the aspect ratio ensures you enjoy your favorite shows and movies as they're meant to be seen. Whether you're dealing with a squished screen or unwanted bars, we've got you covered. Get ready to optimize your viewing experience. Step 1. Identify the aspect ratio issue. First, determine the type of aspect ratio issue you're experiencing. Is the image stretched, cut off, or surrounded by black bars? Each problem might require a different solution. Understanding the specific issue helps in choosing the correct settings and ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Step 2. Access the TV menu. Grab your Panasonic TV remote and hit the menu button. This button is typically labeled as menu or may have an icon that resembles a gear. Once you're in the menu, navigate to the picture or settings option, depending on your TV model. This is where you'll find controls to adjust the aspect ratio settings for your display. Step 3. Select aspect ratio settings. Under the picture or settings section, look for aspect ratio, picture size, or a similar option. Panasonic TVs offer a variety of ratios such as 16:9, 4:3, just, zoom 1, and zoom 2. Scroll through the available options to select the aspect ratio that best suits your current content and personal preference. Step 4. Experiment with different settings. Try out different aspect ratios to see which one gives you the best display. For HD content, 16:9 is usually the ideal choice, providing a full widescreen picture without distortion. For older TV shows or non-HD content, 4:3 may be more suitable. The just setting automatically adjusts the aspect ratio to fit the screen optimally. Remember, the goal is to achieve a picture that accurately reflects the source material without unnecessary cropping or stretching. Step 5. Check the connected devices. Sometimes the issue lies not with the TV, but with an external device like a cable box, gaming console, or a streaming device. Ensure these devices are also set to the appropriate output resolution and aspect ratio. Go into the device settings and match them with your TV's aspect ratio for the best viewing experience. Step 6. Update your Panasonic TV firmware. Occasional software updates can fix bugs or add new features that enhance your TV's performance. Make sure your Panasonic TV is running the latest firmware by visiting the manufacturer's website or checking for updates in the TV's menu settings. This can occasionally resolve persistent aspect ratio issues. And there you have it. These steps on how to fix the aspect ratio on your Panasonic TV should help you eliminate those annoying black bars and distorted images. Whether it's adjusting your TV's settings, optimizing connected devices, or keeping your firmware up to date, a perfect viewing experience is just a few clicks away. Remember to enjoy your shows and movies as they were meant to be seen. Have fun adjusting your screen, and happy viewing.